Hello Wanderers, this is Naik and you are watching Wanderlost India. This time it's my bro Sahil Naik who explored a beautiful church which is said to be haunted. But I feel those are rumors. And so let's see the beautiful side of this place. And from here my bro will take you all on this journey.
Hi guys, it's Sahil here. I'm not someone who likes to get up early morning like Mayuresh, and that too on a Sunday morning. But my friends were like, our next trip should be some sunrise spot in Goa. So we headed to this cool place just a few kilometers away from the Goa airport, and I had a wonderful experience. Coffee and sunrise, what a combination, a magical way to say good morning. This was possible because of OK Caramel, one of the finest brewed coffee brands in Goa, shipped directly to your doorstep from Kurg. So next time, when you're bored of the regular instant coffee, you can head to their website in the description. I really enjoyed capturing this glorious sunrise and golden hour moments in a GoPro, and I suggest you all to visit this place at sunrise, especially during the winters.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows.
So now let's go on an amazing early morning drive on the streets of South Goa.
Highs and lows, highs and lows.
These are not the regular crowded roads.
Highs and lows, highs and lows. So say highs and lows, highs and lows.
After this magical morning, we were too hungry, and that's when my friend Nihar said it's on him and took us to this perfect location in South Goa for some delicious breakfast. After this wonderful experience, we headed to our next location, which will be out in our next vlog. Until then, do subscribe, like and share this video, and keep wandering.